Martín, welcome. From your perspective, what does the current investment environment look like?
For growth equity, it is the best of times, but it's also the worst of times. Let's start with the worst of times. It's been rough. It's been a 50% correction in multiples. Valuations have been significantly down. The stock market, the IPO market has been shut down for 2.5 years. It's the longest period without a vibrant IPO market in this century, essentially. GPs, our competitors, are struggling to fundraise. Investors are saying, you need to show me some DPI and you get to give me some distributions. So the combination of a shut IPO market and a lot of pressure for liquidity on the GPs is creating for us and other players in our space the best pipeline of new transactions of high quality, high growth, profitable businesses at valuations we haven't seen for 15 years. So tough market, great opportunity to buy.
Where should investors' focus be right now?
I'll tell you where we're focused. We've looked back at our recent performance, and there's essentially 8 business models and strategies that have delivered fantastic returns for us consistently. We call them the 8 power alleys. These are areas of focus like investment management, like payments, like online classifieds, like value-based technology for healthcare, where we've got 20 plus years of track record, and we think we have a right to win. And in this market, we're prioritizing that. We also have 6, we call them emerging power alleys. These are areas where we have less than a 5-year track record, but the early traction is very, very good. We love what we're seeing in life science therapeutics. A lot of innovation. 45% of the disease burden of the world has something in clinical studies that's biologic in nature. It's good for people my age. It means there's hope as we get older and we get more vulnerable to these diseases. We like everything's around, treating pets like family. A tremendous amount of investments. We like what we see in decarb technology, tremendous amount of innovation. And even though we're not yet investing in AI, we are heavy users of AI, and there will be a lot to do. For us, not yet, but I think AI is real.
Sounds like a lot's exciting you at the moment. What role does private capital have to play in global entrepreneurship?
Listen, if there's any hope for global peace, it has to do with global prosperity. And the best way to globalize prosperity is through entrepreneurs. Our role as a fund, we've been investing outside the United States for 30 years, in the emerging markets for 22 years. The best minds are born evenly throughout the world. They just didn't have access to capital. So we're committed to the 19 offices we have globally. More than half of what we've done over the last decade is outside the United States. Entrepreneurship is alive and well globally. And I think we as capital providers can provide fuel, energy, ideas to make it thrive.
Martín, thank you so much.